What's up, YouTube? What's up, man? I've been gone for a while, man. Been gone for about 2 months, man. Been busy, man. But, how y'all been, man? I had me a good little night last night. Went out to the dam, caught a few nice catfish, and we had some fun last night, man. I also think I beat my personal best last night. Honestly, the only thing wrong was I couldn't weigh it because I ain't had no batteries inside my damn scale, man. But y'all go see the video soon. But I just wanted to say, make sure that y'all like the video. Make sure to subscribe. Finna have a giveaway soon. Also, don't forget to hit that like button also as well. And make sure to share the video, man. But I'm gonna let y'all go and get to this video. Oh yeah, for some bait, we using I had some old chicken tenderloin sitting in the freezer. I was like, you know what, let me just go and get rid of this. So yeah, we just used some chicken tenderloin for last night, and we caught some nice sized cats. Y'all go see two nice ones in the video. We're supposed to have 4. The person I was with, they missed 2 of theirs, so, and one broke off. So yeah, so it was kind of crazy. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, man. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share the video, man. And let y'all get to the video. It's your boy Trip B. We out of here. How far have you made? Go ahead and start walking your way so I can. I wish they would bring these. I wish they would put some more lights in these. Yeah, that way it could be more lit up around here again. They ain't had these lights up here on up in a little while now. But it be dark as hell. Oh yeah, come on there. Yeah, come on there. Come on there. I'm telling you, come on. You're real yellow, man. Hold on. Ah, this guy came on. Yeah, you let it go. You look small. You got one. You got us one.
Hey, how many times I'm supposed to turn it before I lock it in?
Hold on. Oh, you like 8?
That's what I did 5.
I mean, really, the more that you do it, the stronger it just gets, because it's different. He on it. He ain't coming out. Yeah, he's good. I ain't pulling that hard, but he's nice. good little kitty cat. Get away from that rock. Get away from that rock. Come on in here. Get away from that damn rock. Get away from that rock. Yeah, come on. They're good at it. There you go. There you go.
Oh, it's small enough to put them up there.
I'm ready to pull it on them. Yes, sir. We got him, y'all. We got him. We got him. Oh, line got wrapped up on me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He a nice one. He a big daddy, too. Yeah, he swallowed that. He swallowed that. Oh man, he a nice one, y'all. He's a nice one. I can't tell if he swallowed that bitch or not. Can you open the mouth for me? I'm trying to see if he swallowed that bitch or not. I'm like, he a big one. Oh my God, he's a big one. He about at least, hold on. Let me see. 14. Yeah, he a good 28. Good little 28 inch. Good 28 inch. Oh yeah, he swallowed that. I'm looking right down in mouth. He swallowed that. Swallowed that. Yes, one more good picture with him. Yes, he's a nice one, y'all. He's a nice one. Big boy. Big daddy. Big cat daddy. Big cat daddy. He's a nice one, man. Trying to let him go. Using chicken tenderloin. A little bite size. get the hook point out. There we go. That's it. Now grass it. He about the size of the last one. I thought I got a home on here. I was trying to free my damn line. He ended up coming up. I'm like, what the what? You'll bring that down here for me? Yeah.
Can't even see his ass. There go that little rat thing. That little rat thing swimming in the water over there. Now he must have hit the wall. That bitch big as hell. Now he bigger than the last one, cuz.
He looks about around the same size. They feel about around the same size.
I'm telling you, he's bigger. You sure? Show them folk how you get that fish, man. Show them folk how you get that fish, man. Oh, he bigger. He fatter. He yellow and shit. He yellow.
Oh no, I can't tell.
He look like a blue. Yeah, that's a big ass blue.
Well, I'm not gonna get a lot blue.
I told you.
Get a lot blue.
That's a blue.
Oh yeah.
Told you.
Oh, boy, he way bigger than the last one. He way bigger than the last one.
Hey y'all, he having a hard time getting that motherfucker out here. Well, I just like fell off in the goddamn lake.
I got
He'll be alright.
He way bigger than the last one.
There you go.
Yeah.
It was like the first one we ever caught and gutted. Didn't it?
Huh?
Ain't it about the same size the first one we
he
caught?
bigger. He bigger.
I'm talking about over here, like the first time we came over here.
No. He way bigger than that last one was. How big, I mean, how could the picture is?
You need to come over this way.
Go up a little bit?
Nah, come over. Right there. Hold on.
Oh yeah. He ain't swallowed out. See that hook right there?
Yeah.
He ain't swallowed out. But yeah, he a big. Oh my God. Oh boy. I mean, it can't. I mean, it'll come out. You just can't get it right. You just can't hold on right.
We have a slide this.
Oh yeah.
That nigga went through shock. He's shaking.
He's shaking.
Real shit.
He alright. Well, boy, I want to weigh him, man. I wish my scale was working.
You want to keep that one on?
I just want to weigh him. Cause he feel like he about at least 11.
Motherfucker hook that bitch.
He a nice one though, man. Yeah, since my hook broke, and I'll put that one back on.
On your hook?
Yeah.
What you gonna put on mine?
You got a hook on yours, don't you? Oh well, here. You can take that one then.
I didn't you never know.
You know how to put that damn hook on, baby.
Keep coming out.
You know how to put that
A
damn
lot of water coming out of your mouth.
Yeah. Man, he a good one. I want to get him. Man, I want to weight him so bad.
Hey, you losing water.
He'll be alright. Catfish can live without water for a
Then
minute.
why?
Yeah, he probably coming out of his stomach, because I do got my hand right up on his down. Yeah. So yeah, he just got a belly full of water.
AT&T, I ain't never had AT&T.
Oh yeah, it's a big one, man. I want to get a picture with. I mean, I want to get a weight up on him so damn bad. Oh yeah, he a big one. Oh yeah.
They tired of it.
He's a big.